Welcome to this guided meditation for stress relief on PhD. I'm glad that you have joined me today and are taking a few minutes to center yourself. Find a comfortable seated position, either on a chair or on the floor, ensuring that your spine is straight and your body relaxed. Gently close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. In a moment, we are going to take 3 deep breaths. Imagine your lungs filling up with nourishing fresh air, and on the exhale, release tension from your body. We'll do this 3 times. When you're ready, breathe in. 2, 3, 4, hold. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, hold. In. 2, 3, 4, hold. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, hold. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, hold. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, hold. Excellent. Now bring your attention to the present moment, letting go of any thoughts or worries about your PhD. This is your time to disconnect from the pressures and demands of academia and focus on restoring balance and tranquility within yourself. Now let's return to our natural breathing pace. If your mind wanders, as minds do, just gently bring your focus back to your breath and to this meditation without judgment or critique. As you continue to breathe, repeat these following mantras. You can say these silently in your mind, or you can say them out aloud if you're alone. I am capable and deserving of success on my PhD. I trust in my abilities to overcome challenges and achieve my goals. I am capable of handling any obstacles that come my way. I choose to prioritize well-being and find balance in my life. Excellent. Now let's say these again, but with conviction. Allow it to resonate within and reaffirm your inner strength and determination. Are we ready? I am capable and deserving of success on PhD. I trust in my abilities to overcome challenges and achieve my goals. I am capable of handling any obstacles that come my way. I choose to prioritize well-being and I find balance in my life. Excellent, you're doing great. Now let's take a moment to remind ourselves of all the reasons of why we pursued a PhD. Maybe it was because you absolutely love research, or you're passionate about your topic. Maybe it was because you excelled on your undergrad or your master's, or someone suggested that PhD was a good path for you. Whatever your motivation was, let's get it very clear in our minds and reflect on it now. Brilliant. It feels good to remind ourselves. Now, let's think about all the progress that we've made already on our PhD journey. All our hard work, all our dedication, all the hours, all the writing, all the friends we've met, all the communities we belong to, and all the obstacles you have overcome. Think about your journey and the successes that you have. These are easy to forget when we're feeling stressed, but you're doing a great job. Now, I'd like you to visualize your future self. That future self once you've gained your PhD. How does that feel? What does that look like? What are you wearing? How do you present yourself? What kind of work are you doing now? Who are you surrounding yourself with? How do you walk? How do you talk? What are the words you're using? Do you feel happy? Do you feel determined? Do you feel accomplished? Do you feel confident? This is you. This is your future self. Now take a deep breath. Breathe in that future self. And breathe out your PhD. Feel your mind becoming clear and focused, ready to tackle any challenges that may arise today. Let go of any self-imposed pressures or expectations. You are good enough and you have what it takes to succeed. Thank you for joining me today, and please come back to this meditation as much as you can for maximum benefit. I wish you a great day. Take care.